Hey, what's good, y'all? I'm Exec Prolific, and they just had the Webby Awards, which basically gives different people, different internet personalities and so on and so forth, awards for popularity and creativity. Just recently, also, uh, Kim Kardashian attended the Webby Awards, and she won a Webby Award for nude selfie. And the funny thing is, you know, it was pretty much quote unquote called the Break the Internet Award. And, she came up on the stage and gave a speech saying nude selfies until I die, which was interesting. She pretty much was referring to the picture that she put online where she was wearing absolutely nothing and had, black strip sensors on her chest and her privates. Now, it's a lot of people that follow her, especially on Instagram, because on Instagram she has over 70 million followers. I didn't know this number until just earlier. She has over 70 million followers on that one social media platform, Instagram. And the Webby organizers, the people that put the award show together, said that they were giving it to her in recognition of her unprecedented success online and the bold and creative ways she used the internet, social media apps, and video content to connect with a truly global audience. And truly global it is, because you got to think about it. The state of California alone is like 34.5 million people. 34 million people. That's the state of California alone, one of the biggest states in the U.S. And she has twice that amount of people following her. And, of course, all the people aren't just from America. They're from around the country. I mean, around the world. So, my whole thing is, I used to kind of look down on her doing this nude stuff, now that she's a mom. But, you think about it, you got girls doing it all day on Instagram and aren't doing nearly the numbers that she's doing. And some of these girls got, better bodies. Not to say she doesn't have a nice body, but they got better bodies. But they don't have better numbers. I wonder why. Anyway, I just look at it like this. At this point, you can't stop it, so I just look like this. If you got it, flaunt it. You getting paid for it, because I'm pretty sure Kris Jenner is not letting not a dime go by that this girl can monetize off of every nudie she puts out there, every nude selfie, whatever. Anyway, leave a comment in the box below. Tell me what you think about, women just putting a whole bunch of nudes online. Also, you can follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Exec Prolific. You can download the new podcast episode. And for you rappers, we got hip-hop instrumentals down below. And also, my social media links are down below. You can click those links. I'll talk to you later.